Ram brand sales have increased dramatically in the last few years as a result of a formidable range of class-leading vehicles. And less than a month ago, at the Detroit Auto Show, Ram presented the all-new Ram 1500. Today, at the Chicago show, Mopar takes you outdoors in the all-new Ram 1500. Mopar, as we did for the Wrangler, Mopar has already developed over 200 products for the Ram 1500, investing 80,000 hours of design, testing, and validation. Between the Wrangler and the Ram, we invested over 200,000 hours of design, testing, and validation to provide to the market products that are perfect, that are designed together with the vehicle. They have the perfect fit and finish, and they complement the style of our vehicles. And I really want to thank Ram for providing such a great canvas for our parts and for the Mopar team. But now, to tell you more about the new Ram 1500, let me introduce to you Jim Morrison, the head of the Ram brand for North America. Jim.
All right. Thank you, Pietro. What a gorgeous truck.
Yeah,
nice job.
And thank you for the Ram, and thank you, by the way, also for the Wrangler that I know you worked on that vehicle in your past career.
Yes, both fantastic trucks. Thank you. And thank you, Pietro, for noticing the sales. You know, it seems just like yesterday we were closing the year for 2017, and I'm happy to report that we had the best year ever for the Ram brand with respect to sales and market share. But it really changed for us when Mike Manley was on stage just 3 weeks ago to introduce to the world the all-new 2019 Ram 1500. It's been a whirlwind since then, and we really have changed the way the truck buyers think about overall strength, performance, efficiency, technology, and luxury. This is truly an uncompromised truck. Let me take you through a little bit of the details of those different points. First of all, this truck has got the strongest frame ever. Reliability and durability is key for this truck owner, and we've put 98% high-strength steel in this new frame. This makes the 2019 the strongest Ram 1500 ever. On the power side of the house, we've backed this up with e-torque technology that we've added into our V6 and our Hemi V8s. So this supplements our already potent 100 or 410 pound-feet of torque with another 130 to get this truck growing. And in fact, having that e-torque technology on tap will get this Ram going with the 35s like it's nothing. It's incredible, the technology that we put the power to the ground with this new e-torque. Now, on the technology side, the Ram has been noticed for its all-new 360 surround view camera, its blind spot system that's got very intuitive trailer coverage. You get in your truck, you drive with your trailer, you turn right, you turn left. The truck recognizes how long and wide your trailer is. You confirm it on the screen and you keep driving. Really good technology. But I have to say the most noticed technology in this new Ram 1500 is the new 12-inch screen. Incredible. We're the only truck manufacturer ever to put a 12-inch screen in a Ram, and we've done that with our friends at Sirius with a 360L, basically a Sirius on-demand technology that learns your listening and makes all of the Sirius platform available when and where you want to listen to it. Great technology. Now on the luxury side, we've got some expected and some unexpected luxury. So, expected for Ram, we've always had great interiors, but we took it to the next level. Our Longhorns and our limited trims absolutely have blown the automotive world away with extensive use of authentic wood, leather, and metal. It's incredible technology, or it's incredible the way we've changed the conversation on luxury, really moving the bar up for the all-new Ram. And in fact, a lot of conversation after the Detroit show was, hey, this isn't even the best truck interior, this is the best interior on the show here in Detroit. So I urge you to check out the limited models over in the display. Incredible luxury. Some of the unexpected pieces that we've delivered in the new Ram 1500 come compliments of its extra wheelbase. We've added 4 inches to the cab, 3 inches to the back. We now have a reclining rear seat in the back that gives customers incredible amount of legroom. Whether you're 3 big dudes or putting 3 kid seats across the back of this truck, it's incredible to have all of that extra space. And the ride quality that has been delivered with this is really the next best thing you'll learn as we get journalists behind the wheel of this all-new Ram. Now we wrap all of that up in an incredible capability package. 2,300 pounds of payload and 12,750 pounds of towing with the Hemi-powered e-torque V8. That's incredible. That's 3/4 ton territory. But really, the canvas is incredible, and you can see here with the accessories that have been added to this truck, personalities are very important. We have 6 trims with very different personalities, but one of the things that we're very proud of that have helped deliver Ram the highest loyalty in the 1500 segment is the accessorization capability that our friends at Mopar have provided. So with over 200 different pieces, every Ram can be unique. And Todd Beddick is going to take you through some of those details on this new Ram. Thanks, Todd.
Thank you very much, Jim. So at Mopar, our mission, the reason why we create these extensive portfolios of parts, whether it's for our Jeep customers, our Ram customers, or any other FCA brand owner, is to allow them to customize their vehicle to fit their individual wants, needs, and lifestyles. So what's behind us here, this all-new Ram 1500, is an example of an active lifestyle theme that a customer could do. This all begins in the back of the truck with our all-new Ram Rack. This is a fully adjustable system that attaches to the rails in the bed of the vehicle and allows you to carry oversized cargo that you ordinarily wouldn't be able to fit in the bed. In this case, a pair of kayaks. So in order to get you where you need to go, we've added Mopar's new 2-inch lift kit, beadlock-capable wheels, and BFG KO2 35-inch tires with lots of grip to get you where you need to go. Speaking of grip, we've also added our all-new off-road running boards. These are tucked up very close to the side of the body to allow the most ground clearance possible, and is also covered in our spray-on bed liner material for excellent grip no matter what you've taken your truck through. And to help you get there a little faster, we've also added Mopar's Ram Airflow cold air intake under the hood, catback exhaust system that's finished off with 5-inch black chrome tips. And last but not least, on the interior, we've added catskin leather, door sill guards that are in stainless steel, and our all-new bucket-style floor mats that provide protection on the inside no matter what you've been through. So with that, I invite you guys to please come on up, take a look at the trucks. We're here for any questions that you have. So thank you very much. Come on up.
Press kits are located over by the refreshments. Thank you for joining.